Hello. Today we will be looking at how to install and verify Minikube on Oracle Linux. Minikube is popular with developers and administrators for being a flexible implementation of Kubernetes that is ideal for testing and/or learning. The primary purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to install Minikube using Podman on Oracle Linux. If you'd like to know more about the functionality provided by Minikube, please visit the project's website. Before proceeding any further, I need to highlight that Oracle does not provide technical support for the sequence of steps that are provided in the following instructions because these steps refer to a software program that is not provided by Oracle. The steps outlined from here on are provided only as a convenience. Anyway, now that that's been covered, let's see what the prerequisites are. So if your system meets or exceeds the following, then you'll be good to go. 2 CPUs, 2 GB of memory, 20 GB free disk space for Minikube itself. More is definitely better. Internet connection, curl installed. Great, then let's get the show on the road. The first step is to get the system updated and then Podman and Minikube installed. So without further ado, we'll start with updating Oracle Linux itself, like so. sudo -dnf -y -update. We need to wait for that to complete, which may take a while, so I'll sped it up a little. Next, install Podman and its supporting tools with sudo -dnf -y -module -install -container-tools :OL8, which I've also sped up because that too can take a while to complete. Last, but by no means least, install the contract tools, which provide the tools required to set up HA clusters. sudo -dnf -y -install -contract. So now that Oracle Linux is fully updated, it's time to get the Minikube downloaded and installed. The first step being to save Minikube into your home directory with the URL shown on the screen. Then to install it with sudo -install -minikube-linux -amd64 /usr/local/bin/Minikube. This will appear to do nothing. However, don't worry, because starting Minikube will prove that it really did work. Minikube /start /driver equals Podman. Wait for it to download the Kubernetes runtime, then install and configure itself correctly. Again, this can take a while, so this has been sped up a little. Now we can confirm everything is actually completed successfully, like so. Minikube /kubectl -get -pods -A, which lists the details of the Kubernetes environment just installed and confirms that it is up and running. A useful shortcut when working with Minikube is to set up this alias with alias kubectl equals open double quotes Minikube /kubectl -- close double quotes. Now confirm this works by repeating the previous command like so. kubectl -get -pods -A. As is traditional, let's deploy and expose a Hello Minikube application to our new instance with these two steps. kubectl -create -deployment hello-minikube --image equals k8s.gcr.io/echo server :1.4. kubectl -expose -deployment hello-minikube --type equals node port --port equals 8080. Now confirm that it loaded successfully with kubectl -get -pods -A. Then last but not least, how about deploying the Kubernetes dashboard and confirming that the newly deployed application shows there as well with minikube -dashboard --URL. Click on the link Return to the command line and it will open up a browser and display this. Before I go, perhaps you'd like to try this yourself. Then click on the link above to visit Lunar Labs and look for the Install Minikube on Oracle Linux Lab. It'll be fun and you won't regret it. This is only the start of what Minikube can help you with for local testing and/or development. However, that's something we will cover at a later date. For now though, many thanks for taking the time to watch this, and please keep checking for further videos in this series in the future.